interested in chiropractic care, but not the cracking. Partially because of all the crazy chiropractic cracking videos online, a lot of people are curious about chiropractic care, but they hesitate for one simple reason. They don't actually want that twisting, cracking, and aggressive treatment. And honestly, that makes sense. One of the biggest misconceptions about chiropractic is that it all looks the same, and it does not. In fact, if you watched my chiropractic adjustments, they just simply wouldn't be as exciting as what you see online. People aren't screaming, people aren't getting these big audible cracks and pops, so that's why I don't post those adjustments. However, a lot of people find us because they're looking for a more precise and gentle approach. Not every chiropractor uses the same approach. Not every patient needs the same kind of care. And not every situation calls for forceful adjustments. A lot of patients who come into our office are thoughtful, they're cautious, and precise-minded people. They want answers, they want precision, they want understanding of what's going on, and they want care that feels measured and appropriate to what their needs are. And that's exactly why a gentle approach matters. At Koru, the goal is not to force for the sake of force. The goal is specificity. The goal is to understand what's happening structurally and neurologically, and then to choose care that makes sense for that patient. For many people, that means a gentler, more precise, and more controlled approach. And that's exactly what NUCA is all about. That can be especially important for patients who are anxious about treatment, sensitive to touch or movement, dealing with chronic stress, recovering from old injuries, or simply just turned off by the stereotype of aggressive chiropractic care. A lot of people think gentle means weak. I used to, but it does not. Gentle does not mean vague. It does not mean ineffective. I used to think as a chiropractic student, how can this low force technique of chiropractic actually work? Maybe this is just not for me as a practitioner, until the need for it arose and I saw tremendous results from it. With NUCA, the care is tailored and delivered to your unique misalignment. It means we're not relying on theatrics or guesswork. We're being specific to your unique needs. That matters because the right care should fit the patient, not the other way around. If you've been curious about chiropractic, but hesitant because you don't want twisting, cracking, or forceful treatment, you may be simply looking for just a different type of chiropractic practice. One that is more thorough and measured, more precise, and more thoughtful in how the care is delivered. I'm Dr. Norris with Koru Chiropractic in Louisville, Colorado, and if that sounds like what you have been looking for, our office may be a good place to start your chiropractic and healing journey.